I've come across a rather unique thing, I think. I think it's a bug. I think it's a bug for me only. And the reason I think that is because okay. I use Poudre to build my packages. And one package is failing every single time, and that is my editor of choice, Pico Alpine. It just fails. It's driving me up the wall. It's failing to fetch the distribution files, which is Alpine, and then the Maldur patch. And it doesn't even use the Maldur patch, which is really annoying, but there we go. So what I'm finding is it's failing to fetch it. There we go. And there's a reason given. So we're going to go through how to submit a bug using FreeBSD's Bugzilla. Right, so if you look at this, it tells you right here what's going on. It's attempting to fetch the snapshot alpine 2.26.tar.gz, and it's timing out. So it's fetching it from distcache.freebsd.org ports-disk files, and it's getting it from there. And then it's trying to fetch the Maldur patch, which isn't in the distcache.freebsd.org, but it is getting it from Alpine patches. But there's a size mismatch. Not a massive one, but enough to throw it out. Even 1 byte difference would throw it out. Now, what's weird about this is if I cd into that port directory, into Pico Alpine, and do a make, and then a make install, it works fine. So why is Poudre failing to do it? So I'm going to open a bug and see if anything comes back from it. So follow along. It's quite a simple thing to do, but we're going to do it anyway. Now, this is bugs.freebsd.org/Bugzilla. You can create an account if you wish to. I've got one, so I'll probably log in with it and do it. So let's do that. Boom, there we go. Open bugs I reported, should be none. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so report an update or defect to a port. So it's an individual port. I think it only affects me. I'll give it a summary. Oh, let's spell things right, shall we? Fails to fetch. What's it called? Stating size mismatch. And there we go. It comes up with possible duplicates. So let's do. And I can see that there is a duplicate. So let's see what's going on before we go any further. Now this is interesting because this is being done in Poudre as well. So I'm just going to take a quick look at something because I want to check something. Ah, there it is. That'll be why then. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, so this is exactly the same issue that I'm having. This was on the 25th of the 2nd, so it's coming up to timeout. So I was going to go through how to open a bug. It looks like we don't need to because it's already here, which is, for the video, a shame anyway. So I'm just going to add that I'm having the same issue. I'm going to copy the bit that is relevant. See below. So see below. Right, let's save that. Yeah, there we go. So that's my update to that bug. Now, what we'll quickly do is I'm not going to open one, but I'll just show you how we do it. So choose the section that you want. So if you're submitting a bug or a defect to a port, choose the first one, base system second one, or documentation the third one. So in this case, it would have been the first one. Individual, latest, only affects me, hardware, and then put in your summary. Now, if you look here, individual port or package, prefix the issue summary field with the category port so that the maintainer is assigned correctly. So as I would have done in that one, editors, Pico, Alpine. And as you can see, I'm just going to add me to the CC list because I want to be on that. Not fetching, Malder, size, mismatch. Put in your comment, add an attachment if you want. Now, bearing in mind that there is a size limit on these attachments, I can't remember what it is. You can't put massive files on there. So if you want to attach a log, you're best off just pasting as much of it as you can and then submitting it. So let's go home and let's find all the bugs that I'm tracking. Hopefully it's subscribed me to it anyway. Yeah, it has. So let's get this one off. We don't want this one. I want to unsubscribe from that. Edit. Remove me from the CC line. Save changes. There we go. Right, so should find that I am now bugs I am tracking. There we go. I just want to add another bit to that. By the way, this is the latest branch 2, which it is. Better sign it. There we go. Right, so ooh, you can track it as an XML. Like it. Didn't know you could do that. Format for printing. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. Nice. So FreeBSD's Bugzilla. Very powerful. Great way of reporting bugs. You can do it via the mailing list and see if people can help that way. But this way, if there is a real bug and not just an issue that you can get help with, if it's a bug with the software itself that's upstream of the port, this is the best way of getting that resolved. Now, this might still take a while because people have real lives, of course, and all port maintainers are volunteers, as are the committers. So it can take some time, but you would expect that with any open source project. I've added my 2 pence worth to that bug. We'll see how it goes. And if we get feedback, great. If we get a fix, even better. And then my builds can carry on as normal. So that's pretty much it for this one. Take care, and I'll see you in... No. Don't do my outro like that. So that's pretty much for this one. Don't forget to like the video if you find it useful. There's no real rocket science to opening a bug. Just make sure you give as much detail as possible. Don't forget to subscribe. That way YouTube will tell you if I release a new video. Discord link down there. Still going. It's got some usage in there at the moment, which is nice. Don't forget to share it. Post it wherever you like. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.